Hey, well, welcome back to the AI Chef's Kitchen. And Chef David, it's great to be back with another AI recipe or a tip. And this one is a special one for the holiday season.
Oh, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to this, Chef Kevin.
Yeah. So this is called Slaying the Dinner Stress. The holiday season can be a busy one. We've got lots on the go. You got work, you got social things. And so here's where AI can help. And this tip is actually it's kind of, it's not really a business productivity tip. It actually involves food. So let's
Nice.
say, you get home after a long day at work, you got a lot done, it was a good day, but you don't know what to make for dinner. Well, here's the thing. Remember, AI is great with text, but it also increasingly does a great job with visuals. So
Mm.
let's go to the shared screen and I'll show you what I did. So here I am in Google Gemini. I took a picture of what's in my fridge. Okay, so this was what's on the side door. This is kind of the main part of my fridge. And then I said, hey, this is what's in my fridge. What do you suggest I make for dinner? And it did a fantastic job. It suggested that I make spinach, bacon, and artichoke frittata because it's on had
That
eggs. I
sounds
had some
pretty good.
ricotta. It was really good, right? Um, and the thing is so that's Gemini. I did the same thing in ChatGPT. It noticed I had some leftover. I made a quinoa bowl. It had some leftover quinoa, so it suggested a warm bacon, tomato, and quinoa bowl using like the leftover quinoa, or a big Mediterranean salad with artichokes. I also did use Copilot in video mode on my mobile phone. I didn't capture the recording, but it was before lunch today, and for lunch I had this leftover roast chicken. So it actually suggested that I use the leftover roast chicken. It could see the plastic container and see what was in it, and it suggested a
Wow.
vegetable stir fry. So
Mm.
so fantastic. Gemini, GPT, Copilot, your AI assistant of choice. Take a picture of what's in your fridge and let AI do the tough decision making. So what do you think, Chef David?
Wow. First of all, great tip because I have that problem. I just stare at the fridge and I do the thing where I walk away and I come back and open the fridge again, like something's going to magically appear there that wasn't there 5 minutes ago. And
Right.
yeah, just tell me what to cook out of it. But I gotta say that I'm impressed. You have some healthy ingredients in your fridge because you got some good recipes. I would have been like, reheat the fried chicken in the air fryer or something like that. Make some bacon strips. You have some good stuff, but no bagged milk. When I was in Canada, my Canadian friends had milk in bags. I don't see your milk bags.
No. There was a container of 1%. My daughter likes oat milk, so we don't, those bags you would get like 3 liters of milk. That's more milk
Oh,
that we go through, right?
okay, that
So
makes
so,
sense. But
so
it is
there
a
you go.
thing. Americans,
That's
it is
good.
a
That was
thing.
you were tuned into the Canadian way of life. But that's slaying the dinner stress. Let me know if you use this. Let me know if this tip works, and please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.